Namaste to all. I am your Sanskrit teacher, Kendra Vidyalaya Anna Nagar, taking Sanskrit class to 10th standard through digital mode, online, through video online. And these classes we will run from April 1 to till May 3rd or till the vacation. The days, this you change it. Wednesday, the total students of 49 we are having. The lesson number lesson number 2 we are reading. Okay. Now this is the lesson. I have given you introduction about this. The last previous class I was teaching you the first paragraph, and I give you introduction. On making a revision, I will continue. There was one lady. She was very brilliant and intelligent. It happens to her to go to her parent house one day. On the way while going, she was able to see one tiger. After seeing the tiger, she tells to the children, "Hey sons, why you are fighting both of you for one tiger? Now you share both of you by killing this one tiger and eat, and another one more tiger you will be getting soon. You can share again by that tiger. So don't fight." It is Chutwa, Vyagramari. Then this tiger was thinking that time she is the tiger killer. Eka nari asti देवलाख्यः इति ग्रामे सा स्वपितुः गृहम् अगच्छत्. यदा सा स्त्री नारी महिला स्वपितृगृहं गच्छति स्म, तदा सा तया साकं पुत्रौ अपि आगतः स्म. मार्गे एकः व्याघ्रः आगच्छत्. तदानीं सा महिला स्त्री उक्तवती, पुत्रौ दृष्ट्वा, किमर्थम् एकस्य व्याघ्रस्य कृते भवन्तौ मीन्स यू बोथ अपि कलहं कुरुतः. एकेन व्याघ्रेण इदानीं यत् लभ्यते भोजनं करोतु, अन्यः व्याघ्रः अनन्तरं मिलिष्यति, तदानीमपि तत् स्वीकृत्य भोजनं करोतु इति सा वदति. एतत् श्रुत्वा व्याघ्रः स्वमनसि एवं चिन्तयति, ओ एषा नारी, एषा महिला तु व्याघ्रमारी, व्याघ्रमारी इत्यस्य टाइगर हंटर इति स्वमनसि भीतिः आगच्छति. व्याघ्रस्य मनसि भीतिः आगच्छति. अतः व्याघ्रः तस्मात् प्रदेशात् अन्यत्र गच्छति स्म. एतदेव प्रथमकक्षायाम् अहम् उक्तवान् अस्मि. इदानीं वयं द्वितीय अनुच्छेदं पठामः. तत्र प्रथमः तावत् श्लोकः अस्ति। निजबुद्ध्या विमुक्ता सा भयात् व्याघ्रस्य भामिनी अन्योपि बुद्धिमान् लोके मुच्यते महतो भयात्। अत्र अयं श्लोकः निजबुद्ध्या विमुक्ता पदच्छेदः सा भयात् व्याघ्रस्य भामिनी अन्योपि इत्यस्य अन्यः प्लस् अपि बुद्धिमान् प्लस् लोके बुद्धिमान् लोके मुच्यते महतः इत्यस्य महतो इत्यस्य महतः भयात्। पदच्छेदः एवं अस्य श्लोकस्य अयम् अर्थः भवति निजबुद्ध्या विमुक्ता सा भयात् व्याघ्रस्य भामिनी अन्यः अपि बुद्धिमान् लोके मुच्यतो महता भयात्। महता भयंकरेण यदा सा भामिनी सा स्त्री स्वबुद्ध्या कार्यं करोति तदानीं तस्याः भीतिः न भविष्यति। She is very good manner working or thinking of her that in smart manner she is playing after seeing the tiger, how to escape from the tiger. So that she was telling the words to the children, you can don't fight each both of you, another tiger will come, you can kill and share. By this manner she is telling the word that she is the tiger killer to the tiger. So this is what this poem is given here. She is acting very nice manner on the spot. It is called a smart thinking. That is the shloka meaning here in brief manner it has given. I will show you word by word meaning also. भयाकुलं व्याघ्रं दृष्ट्वा कश्चित् भूतः शृगालः आसन्नाः भवान् कुतः भयात् पलायितः. I keep reading, you can see the word and everybody read and take the photo if you need this one, because we are having no textbooks. भयाकुलं व्याघ्रं दृष्ट्वा कश्चित् भूतः शृगालः आसन्नाः भवान् कुतः भयात् पलायितः. व्याघ्रः. The conversations are given here between the tiger and jackal. You can see here. The jackal is here. See this picture. Another page. Vyagra, tiger says, Gaccha gaccha jambuka, tamapi kinchite budapadesham, yataha vyagramari iti shastre shruyate, kaya aham antum arabdaha, परं गृहीत करजीवितः रक्तः शीघ्रं तदग्रतः. शृगालः चकाल व्याघ्र त्वया महत् कौतुकम् आवेदितं यत् मानुषादपि बिभेषि. व्याघ्रः प्रत्यक्षमेव मया सात्मपुत्रौ एकैकशः मां हर्तुं कलहायमानौ चपेटया प्रहरन्ती दृष्टा. प्रत्यक्षम् एव सा आत्मपुत्रौ एकैकशः मां हर्तुं कलहायमानौ चपेटया परिहरन्ती दृष्टा. जम्बुकः स्वामिन्ने यत्र आस्ते सा धूर्ता तत्र गम्यतां. व्याघ्र तव पुनः तत्र गतस्य सा सम्मुखम् अपीक्षते यदि तर्हि त्वया अहं हन्तव्यः इति. व्याघ्रः शृगाल यदि त्वं मां मुक्त्वा यासि तदा वेलापि वेला स्यात्, वेला अपि अवेला स्यात्. जम्बुकः यदि एवं तर्हि मां निजगले बद्ध्वा चल सत्वरं. स व्याघ्रः तथा कृत्वा काननं ययौ. शृगालेन सहितं पुनः आयान्तं व्याघ्रं दूरात् दृष्ट्वा बुद्धिमती चिन्तितवती. जम्बुककृत उत्साहात् व्याघ्रात् कथं मुच्यतां. परं प्रत्युत्पन्नमतिः सा जम्बुकम् आक्षिपन्ती अङ्गुल्या तर्जयन्ती उवाच रे रे धूर्त त्वया दत्तं मह्यं व्याघ्रत्रयं पुरा विश्वास्याद्यैकमानीय कथं यासि वदाधुना रे रे धूर्त त्वया word splitting தத்தம் மக்கியம் வியாகத்ரயம் எல்லாம் ஸ்பிளிட்டிங் தான் இது இங்க தான் கொஞ்சம் டிவைட் பண்ணும் விஸ்வாஸ்ய விஸ்வாஸ்ய அத்ய ஏகம் ஆனிய விஸ்வாஸ்ய you can note down விஸ்வாஸ்ய சந்தீஸ்ய take on paper always sit here along with your paper notebook likewise whenever anything I tell you that time you can note that विश्वास्य अद्य एकम आनीय कथम यासि वद अधुना the page is again three more lines are here. 1 minute it is hidden because we made a zoom now. So that's now you are able to see. Also it is not able to. Yes, there. Yes. Are you able to see now? Are you able to view now? इत्युक्त्वा धाविता तूर्णं व्याघ्रमारी भयंकरा व्याघ्रोऽपि सहसा नट्टः गलबद्धशृगालकः इति कृत्वा धाविता तूर्णं व्याघ्रमारी भयंकरा सेम the इत्युक्ता मात्र स्प्लिटिंग व्याघ्रोऽपि व्याघ्रः प्लस अपि सहसा नट्टः गलबद्धशृगालकः इति सिंगल वर्ड एवं प्रकारेण बुद्धिमती व्याघ्रजात भयात पुनरपि मुक्ता अभवत् तदा एव उच्यते बुद्धिर्बलवती बुद्धिः बलवती तन्वी सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. So the lesson reading over now. These are the word meanings are given over here. You can see you can zoom and see in your phone and all. So here I make one zoom, then again I have to minimize this. See the word meanings and all given. Okay. And shloka anvaya is given here. See. Re re dhurta tvaya makyam pura vyagra trayam tattam. Vishwasyapi adya ekam aniya katham yasi iti adhuna vada. Iti utva bhayankara vyagramari turnam dhavita. Galabadda srigalakaha vyagrahapi sahasa natta. Ye tanvi sarvada sarvakaryeshu buddhi balavati. Like this. There's a question answers are coming. Now we go for telling meaning of the paragraphs where I have to continue. From here, I explained the meaning of this poem. Now, here, Bhayakulam Vyagram Ditta Kaschit Dhuta Srigalaha Hasadaha. When this tiger was running from this lady and coming, that time, one of the jackal was seeing the tiger and telling, Yada Vyagraha महिलां दृष्ट्वा धावति स्म तदानीं शृगालः वदत् हे व्याघ्र भवान् कुतः भयात् पलायितः भवान् व्याघ्रः कुतः कस्मात् प्रदेशात् भयेन गच्छति स्म हे tiger from where you are running and going व्याघ्रः tiger says गच्छ गच्छ जम्बुका तमपि किञ्चित् गूढप्रदेशं यतः व्याघ्रमारीति या शास्त्रे श्रूयते तया अहं हन्तुम् आरब्धः परं गृहीत करजीवितः नट्टः शीघ्रं तदग्रतः हे गच्छ गच्छ चल चल जम्बुका शृगालः कमपि किञ्चित् गूढप्रदेशं कमपि कुत्रापि रहस्यप्रदेशं गूढप्रदेशं गूढप्रदेशं means what you know where people may not able to see that place you can also go यतः वै बिकास् व्याघ्रमारी इति या शास्त्रे श्रूयते अहं व्याघ्रमारी इति पुस्तके पठितवान् अस्मि टाइगर सेस् I have studied one incident when I was reading in the books, story books and all. What is no tiger killer. See, all of you heard tiger will kill other, lion will kill other. But I studied tiger killer also there. Yeah, one person will be there, that person is always killing the tiger. Likewise, I studied, I know, in small age, my young age. That is really now I am seeing that person is coming there in one place, trying to kill me now. Param grihita kare jivitaha nattaha shigram tadagrataha. Then so you will be getting destroyed immediately from this place and hold my hand and you run from this place. Sigara Vyagra Taya Mahat Kautukam Aveditam Yan Manushadapi Piveshi. Hey, Sigara says, Jackal says to the tiger, see this, Jackal is here. Are you able to see? Are you able to see this picture here? Hello, tell me, are you able to see this picture?
Yes, sir.
This is the jackal is here and seeing this tiger. Make mute mode, everybody mute mode please. Then says, jackal says to the tiger, Taya Mahat Kautukam Aveditam. It is very interesting for me to, you are informing. Avedana means informing. What in Manushadapi Viveshi. You are tiger, you are afraid of the human being. Iti Shrigala Prichati, Shrigala Vyagram Prichati, he Vyagra Ati Ascharya Asti Mama Vyagra Manushati Viveti. Vyagra Manusham Driktva Bhayam Asti Iti Vishayaha Mama Ascharya Asti Vyagra Pratyaksham Maya Satmaputra एकैकसौ मां मत्तुं कलहायमानौ चपेटया प्रहरन्ति दृष्टा. The tiger says pratyaksham means what? Directly maya by me saw that lady atmaputrau ekaikasa. Atmaputra own two sons. Mama me, mom to me, attum means khaditum, to eat. I have seen her, she was trying to eat by cutting me, means tiger. Kalayamano children. The children, no, both of them were fighting to kill me. That I myself have seen. At that time, she was beating the children with the hand and the praharanti beating. Trittasi. Aham sayameva drittavan asmi. Vyagra vadati. हे श्रृगालः अहं स्वयमेव दृष्टवान् अस्मि यदा पुत्रौ कलहायमानौ कृतवन्तौ. कलहायमानं मीन्स् नो क्वारल् फैटिंग. तदानीं सा स्त्री चपेटया प्रहरन्ती दृष्टा. अहमेव दृष्टवान् अस्मि सा चपेटां कृतवती शी वास् बीटिंग जम्बूकः स्वामिन् यत्र आस्ते सा धूर्ता तत्र सर where that lady is there first lady तत्र गम्यतां please go to that place व्याघ्र जम्बूकः वदति व्याघ्रं हे व्याघ्र यत्र सा स्त्री अस्ति धूर्ता मीन्स् फस्ट् तत्र गच्छतु चलतु व्याघ्रः तव पुनः तत्र गतस्य सा सम्मुखम् अपेक्षते यदि तर्हि त्वया अहं मन्तव्यः इति then Jackal says तव पुनः तत्र गतस्य if you go to that place सम्मुखम् अपेक्षते if you face any difficulties and problem by that then you can kill me because the tiger is afraid of this lady only coming from that place to another place. But now this jackal says to the tiger, please go to that place where that lady is there. But the tiger is afraid of this lady now. So to give the confidence, the jackal says, no, you go to that place if you face any difficulties, problem, then you can kill me. I'll give you the commands. Vyagra tiger says, Srigala, यदि मां मुत्वा यासि तदा वेलाप्य वेला स्यात् no sometimes what happens you will come with me up to that lady where she is that time you will leave me and you will go that time the problem will come to me some different things will happen that is called velapya vela vyagra vadati shigaram ditva anana यदि त्वम् आग तदा मां त्यक्त्वा अन्यत्र कुत्रापि गच्छसि चेत् तदानीं किमपि तत्र भयंकर विषय स्यात् भीतिः स्यात् जम्बुकः वदति यदि एवं तर्हि मां निजगले बद्ध्वा चल सत्वरं स व्याघ्रः तथा कृत्वा काननं येयं शृगालेन सहितं पुनरायान्तं व्याघ्रं दूरात् दृष्ट्वा बुद्धिमती चिन्तितवती then Jambuka says यदि त्वम् एवं तर्हि मां निजगले बद्ध्वा चल सत्वरं if it is so then take me and hold me in the neck tie with the neck Jackal says to the tiger you are having fear I will leave you and go then you hold me with one chain likewise in the neck you take me so Vyagra tata कृत्वा काननं येयं then the tiger also doing the same and goes to the forest along with this jackal you can see this picture see this here now it is visible to see I made this it will be zoom are you able to see now okay then निजगले बद्ध्वा चले सत्वरं स व्याघ्रः तथा कृत्वा काननं येयं went to the कानन शृगालेन सहितं पुनरायान्तं व्याघ्रं दूरात् दृष्ट्वा बुद्धिमती चिन्तितवती when this tiger is coming along with jackal and the lady was looking and thinking what she is thinking that will continue by next class we are going to conclude our session today. Have any doubts? You can clarify. We'll continue by next class. The homework is from this class. Please note down, all of you. You write this 4-5 sentences in homework side and write question answers. Ekapadena uttarata, ekavakyena uttarata from this. Okay? Hello, respond to me. Speak with me. Krishna.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, sir.
uh, what are given homework? Repeat again. Krishna, tell me what is the homework I asked you?
We have to make 4 or 5 sentence from this. Then we have to write questions. एक वाक्य ना एक पदेना.
Okay, thank you. Then we are leaving from this lesson. Okay, shall I wind up this conclude the session? If you have any doubts, you can clarify because I'm having another class now. I have to go. Any doubts? Clarification?
No, sir.
Okay, it is your Sanskrit teacher Narasimha, taking class 10th standard, 2 online digital mode. Second lesson, we have completed second paragraph today on 29th April. Thank you, Dhanyavadaha. Keep safe and stay at home. Study at
Thank you,
home.
sir.
Thank you.